Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, I'm quickly going to show you how to recover a disabled Instagram account. Now the reason that your Instagram account may have been disabled is you violated the community guidelines of Instagram. But sometimes you still get disabled or your account gets deactivated without you doing anything. Now the way that you fix it is just you need to report this issue directly to Instagram. So you open up a web browser and search for Instagram account deactivated. Once you do, you'll get a few options and you just tap open the first option which says disabled Instagram account. Once you do, it's again going to show you a couple of things that you need to know. Now you just tap on no, this wasn't helpful, and then tap on this information is confusing. Now after you do that, a report section will open up where you can now type in the exact problem that you're facing. You can add in your detailed explanation of what happened, and you can also add in you had not violated the community guidelines but also your account was disabled. And after you type in your explanation, you can just tap on submit. Once you tap on submit, Instagram will take a look at your account, and if they think that you have not done anything, they will recover your account within a couple of days. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.